Hello student. Dear student, in previous video we discuss formal charge and also example of ozone molecules or ozone atoms O3. What types of atom to donate or receive the electrons, and today we discuss two points of like that formal charge do not indicate real charge separation within the molecules. This charge help in keeping track of the valence electron in the molecules. Number two, formal charge help in the selection of the lowest energy structure from a number of possible Lewis structure for a given species. And generally, the lowest energy structure is the one with the smallest formal charge on the atom. The formal charge is a factor based on pure covalent view of bonding in which electron pair are shared equally by neighboring atoms. This is the related to some in the universal the octet rules. The incomplete octet is the central atom. So in some compounds, the number of electrons surrounding the central atom is less than 8. Just see here like that S2B or LiCl or BCl3. And odd electron molecules with an odd number of electrons like nitric oxide, nitrogen oxide and nitrogen. The octet rules is not satisfied for all atoms like that. Means some types of places we represent with the help of charges like that, here positive and here negative. So the expand octet elements in and beyond the third period of the periodic table have apart from 3s and 3p orbital. So 3d orbital also available for bonding in a number of compound of these elements. There are more than 8 valence electron around the central atom. This is terms as expand octet. So example P5SF6 S2SO4 means phosphorus pentafluoride, sulfur hexafluoride and sulfuric acid. Just see here, it is a S2SO4 means sulfuric acid, and this is the PCl5. We know that the phosphorus total numbers of electron is 15, so the electronic constitution 2, 8 and 5. And chlorine, there are 5 chlorine atom are combined, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Cl, the total numbers of electron is 17, so 287, the outermost shell presents 7 numbers, so 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, and here 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, and here 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, here also 2, 4, 6, 1, 7. And this phosphorus have outermost 5 numbers of electrons, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same as usual here, sulfur H2SO4 means S is a central atom sulfur and 4 oxygen are combined to, and this 2 numbers of oxygen combined to hydrogen atom. So the valence electron of oxygen is 6, hydrogen 1, and sulfur is also 6. So in this case here, hydrogen participate 1 and oxygen 2 to 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Here oxygen 6 are present, and here oxygen 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6, and also hydrogen 1. So in this case sulfur they participate here 2, here 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 6. So this is the atoms are participate and make a covalent bond. Next, the rules are octet rule is based on the chemical itness of noble gases. However, some noble gas also combine with oxygen and fluorine to form a number of compounds like xenon fluoride or krypton fluoride or xenon oxygen fluorides. So this theory does not account the shape of the molecules, and it does not explain the relative stability of the molecules being totally silent about the energy of molecules. So this is the some information regarding to octet, formal charges, uh, and also the dot structure for different types of elements, molecules, and compound. Some types of compound are satisfied, some types of compound are not satisfied also. In next video we discuss two next topic, bond parameters. In bond parameter we discuss many more points: bond length, bond angle. So our next video we discuss to our main topic of this chapter, bond parameter. Okay, thank you.